Okay, so the boxing knife, oops, can't even get it open still, is gonna be the Gerber Sumo. I just noticed when I'm trying to middle finger flick it, part of the problem is that the fat of my finger is catching on that axis lock right there. So it's just something I have to make sure I remember how to do. Oh, they put nice little violet or burgundy liners. That's nice. Yeah, so it's not quite flicking out just yet. It's loosening up though. So this is going to be an SMKW unboxing. Very large. I believe this is for National Knife Day. Isso é para Dia Nacional Dia de Facas, lembra?
Ah, sim, sim.
Então é muito grande. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's see what I got here. Don't know why I got this. Oh yeah, the Imperial, look at that. It says $19.99, but I'm pretty sure this thing was really cheap. I'm pretty sure it was a lot cheaper than that, because I wouldn't pay more for that. Kind of mostly just wanted the pouch. But yeah, a multi-tool and a knife. Imperial, it's not an amazing company, but Artisan Cutlery. Is this my first Artisan Cutlery? I think it is. Check it out, brown micarta. It's pretty heavy.
Ah, sim. Lembro.
So that's micarta. This is the Mini-Proponent. What I'm most excited about is, here it is. Oh yeah.
Que isso? Ah,
Então, é super forte agora.
legal.
So, I wanted this.
Tava.
I wanted this to be my first, and at this point, I guess only. The idea of a lock bar. I think the CRKT what's his name? Can't think of his name right now. The Journeyer was supposed to have something like this, but something happened and they got rid of it, I guess. So I wanted to have a folder that did something along those lines. And I guess, does it go in here? Is it somewhere you can store it? Anyway, it's a liner lock, which I'm kind of over liner locks. Great action. And no, looks like you can see the blade goes through that lanyard hole, so I don't get how on earth that's supposed to work. That's an awkward place to... That doesn't seem very practical at all. I really don't get it. I don't see how that could possibly be an effective lanyard hole. As you can see, look, I mean, are you kidding me? And it totally gets in the way. I'll have to figure out what that's about. I mean, it's ridiculous because as you can see, when it comes down, you're not going to be able to hold the string part of the lanyard there just to let it dangle off. So I don't see how they're going to pretend like that's a lanyard hole. I mean, what on earth is that supposed to be? Yeah, well, I'll have to figure that out. I mean, this was practically a grail knife for me. I mean, I wanted this so bad. And I was going to get the copper one until I realized copper is damn heavy and incredibly impractical. So I'm not sure how that became a thing. I guess Taylor, what's his name? Taylor Martin from Best Ham EDC decided he wanted patinas on everything. So I don't quite understand how that's practical. It's incredibly impractical. Oh! I got another Kershaw shuffle. Because it's teal, it was on sale, and I want to incorporate purple and teal. I want to start incorporating teal, because that's sort of the new in color. Next, yay! I got the Carnivore Jack. So I really wanted to get it because I wanted that Rough Rider leather, what do you call this, slip that it comes with. So there it is. And there's the serrated blade, covered in oil. So it's got some nice serrations on there. So this
What do you think?
scene. That's nice. That's really nice. I like that a lot. Okay, so I guess that's what I got from Knife Center. Thought it was from SMKW.